Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check Simlock status and last seen date in SONY Xperia L1 by using IMEI. In the very beginning you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. And when you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen, go for a CAPTCHA protection and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your SONY Xperia L1. And then if you want to check Simlock status and last seen date, you should choose firmware Simlock country. Click again at check and wait the 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. Here you can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here you can check the Simlock status. So in this case there is no Simlock status, and here you can check last seen date. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.